Hi guys, in this video we're going to be making a bubble effect, and it's going to be based on Into the Deep X Olgun. So yeah, let's start the video.
As you can see, I already created those bubbles. Do 5 costumes and a backdrop. The backdrop is gonna be like that. Now we're gonna start the coding. So when flag clicked, forever, wait, go to operators, take a pick random 0 to 3 seconds. So it's gonna wait. It's gonna pick random 0 to 3 seconds, and after it's gonna create a clone of myself. But you need something else too. I'm gonna take a repeat. No. Yeah, we need a repeat. Go to operators, pick random 0 to 5 seconds. Yeah, so now we need another wait 0.2, then create a clone of myself. There, this is finished. So now when I start as a clone, we're gonna show it, and when flag clicked, you hide it. So yeah, gonna set size to 200. Go to motion, take it, go to, gonna put minus 190, and here, gonna go operators, pick random, minus 240, 240. So that's it. Go to looks, switch costume, pick random 1 to 5, and gonna set ghost effect. Set ghost effect to, go to operators, take it times, put 15, and take costume number, and that's it. So now we're gonna go and take a repeat until, take that, put 170, go to motion, take a white position, go to looks, take a set brightness to, go to operators, take it that, click and put 5, and take a white position. So duplicate it, put it there, and so gonna go to motion, take a change Y by, go to operators, times 0.7, a minus 6 minus costume number. Then delete this clone. So as you can see, it should be working. Any minute. There. So as you can see, this is the bubble effect, and it looks pretty cool. Yeah, it looked pretty cool. So that you can use that in a project where there's like sea water or stuff like that. Yeah, that's it. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like, and yeah, bye. See you in the next video.